Animals are living organisms that can move, breathe, and usually reproduce. There are many different types of animals, including mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, and insects. Some animals are kept as pets, while others live in the wild. Mammals are a type of animal that give birth to live young and feed them with milk from the mother's body. Examples of mammals include cats, dogs, cows. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have big ears and long trunks, which they use to grab food and water. Elephants are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. Lions. Lions are big cats that are known for their loud roars. They are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Lions are often called the king of the jungle because they are apex predators. Giraffe. Giraffes are tall animals with long necks and spotted coats. They are herbivores and eat leaves from trees. Giraffes are the tallest land animals and can grow up to 18 feet tall. Penguins. Penguins are flightless birds that live in the cold climates. They are known for their black and white feathers and budding walk. Penguins eat fish and other small sea creatures. Dolphins. Dolphins are marine animals that are known for their intelligence and playful behavior. They are social animals and often travel in groups called ponds. Dolphins eat fish and squid. Koalas. Koalas are marsupials that are native to Australia. They are known for their fuzzy ears and love for eucalyptus leaves. Koalas sleep up to 20 hours a day. Octopus. Octopus are sea creatures with legs. They have 8 arms and no bones. They are known for their ability to camouflage and change color. Octopuses eat crabs, shrimp, and other small creatures. Kangaroos. Kangaroos are marsupials that are native to Australia. They are known for their strong legs and ability to walk long distances. Kangaroos eat plants and can go for long periods without drinking water. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are primates that are native to Africa. They are known for their intelligence and ability to use tools. Chimpanzees are omnivores and eat fruits, nuts, and insects. Tigers. Tigers are big cats that are known for their orange and black stripes. They are carnivores and eat meat. Tigers are the largest of big cats and can weigh up to 600 pounds. Bears. Bears are large mammals that are found in many parts of the world. They are known for their thick fur and sharp claws. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat wood plants and animals. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest primates and are native to Africa. They are known for their strength and intelligence. Gorillas are herbivores and eat mostly leaves, stems, and fruits. Whales are marine animals that are known for their massive size. They are often seen in the ocean and some species can grow up to 100 feet long. Whales are carnivores and eat small fish, squid, and krill. Deer. Deer are common animals. They are found in many parts of the world. They are known for their antlers, which only male deer have, are herbivores and eat grass, leaves, and other plants. Crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles that are found in many tropical regions. They are known for their sharp teeth and strong jaws. Crocodiles are carnivores and eat fish, birds, and other small animals. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are large. They are found in Africa. They are known for their massive jaws and teeth. Hippopotamus are herbivores and eat mostly grass and other plants. Ostrich. Ostriches are flightless birds that are found in Africa. They are known for their long necks and legs. Ostriches are omnivores and eat plants, insects, and small animals. Snakes are reptiles that are found in many parts of the world. They are known for their long, thin bodies and ability to slither. Snakes are carnivores and eat small animals such as rodents and insects. Walruses are marine mammals that are found in the Arctic. They are known for their long tusks and thick skin. Walruses are carnivores and eat clams, mussels, and other small sea creatures. Sheep. Sheep are domesticated mammals that are often raised for their wool, meat, and milk. They are known for their fluffy coats and tendency to flock together. Sheep are herbivores and eat grass, hay, and other plants. Goats. Goats are domesticated mammals that are often raised for their meat, milk, and cheese. They are known for their beards and horns. Goats are herbivores and eat a variety of plants including grass, leaves, and bark.